Once upon a time, there was a giant sheep who was bawling everywhere. She kicked the magnet, kicked the monkey, kicked the clock, kicked the watermelon, kicked the piano, and kicked the scissors. And then there was a whale, and she kicked that, and then she grew gianter, and then she was the giantest ever. And then when it was passing by, she bumped the hot air balloon. And she bumped both of them too much that she played the piano, and then she grew back normal, so small. Too small.
Okay, bud. When you're ready.
And then she cut with the scissors. And then the scissors got too small. And then I couldn't see the scissors. Then the scissors were gone forever.